Good morning. I'm so tired. So, today's schedule. So I have an 8 a.m. signing, a 10 a.m. class, a 1 p.m. signing, a 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. class, 5 p.m. signing, and a 6 p.m. signing. So the time now is 7:04. I'm only getting up this late for the signing at 8 because it's actually down the street from me. I'm gonna eat an orange while my papers print. The documents are not here, so now I have to wake somebody up to send them to me. I don't even know if they're gonna answer. It's so early in the morning.
Please leave a message and I'll give you a call back.
Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry I missed your call. Do you have a file number that I can take a look at?
I actually really don't like when it's 170 something pages. Why can't it just be like 100 to 120?
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Hi.
Is this Mrs. Maudsley?
It is.
I am just calling you to let you know I will be there for your signing today. She's only 13 minutes away from me. That is a good use of time for the money. All right, I just got done with my first one. It is now 9 o'clock. I am going to send these off and a little Christmas gift. UPS, and it's cold. I'm gonna have to stand outside, I already know it. So, let's go. All right, packages are in. I got some more empty envelopes for free. Now I have a class probably at 10 or 10:30 a.m. and then I have a signing at 1 p.m. So, gotta go home, print. Sorry if you guys can hear the heat, it's cold. Gotta go home, print papers, teach the class, eat some breakfast, head out again. Jamie, say hi.
Oh, I love you too.
Hello. It's nice to meet her.
Yes.
Anything else you want to say? Do you have anything that you do online that you want to plug?
Oh, girl, I am unemployed. This is
Oh my God.
all my days of being employed.
Well, let's get you some money. Where do you live?
I live in New Jersey.
Okay, we got this. We're gonna make her some money.
At the tone, please record your message.
Hi, Miss Green. I'm calling as your notary today. We have a signing at 1 p.m. Printing her stuff out. Getting ready for the next one.
I have a signing tomorrow at 3 p.m. in Hampton.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem at all. You have a good day.
You too. Merry Christmas.
All right.
Hi, I'm your notary for today. I was just confirming our appointment for 5 p.m.
Yes.
Alright, I'm on to my last two signings. Every hour of my day has been spent working. Even when I came home and I had like a 2-hour block between signings, I was filming a video for a company. So, and then I edited it and had to send it to them. They called me back and said that I need to redo a little bit on it, so I need to cut down some footage for it. So I have to go back and re-edit it, re-upload it, and send it to them. This day is a good day, but it's a busy day.
Susan, with some closing, just reaching out real quick to see if the ad file closed today.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. That's what I like to hear.
All right, I'm back home. The time is 8:36, and I'm about to scan 2 packets off because only 2 of them needed to be scanned over, and then I'm gonna finish editing a video for this company I'm working with. So. And then I'm gonna start painting, so I probably won't get done until 10. I wanna watch a movie tonight with my fiance, but work comes first. Oops.
See if you're available for a signing on December 29th at 3 p.m. in Hampton.
Yeah, that actually sounds perfect.
Oh, perfect.
3
All right,
p.m.
thank you, Jasmine.
You're welcome. Have a great night.
You too.
Our number, and now we're going to say visit complete. Visit complete. My hair's up. We're about to start painting. It is now 9:23 p.m. Got all the scan backs in, all the emails sent, re-edited the video for that one company. Now, my time. She's helping me paint today. Say hi to the VLOGMAS. Hello. More paint? Yeah. Oh! Oh. We just have to redo it. It's fine. It's just pick it up. Don't just let it sit there. You're gonna have to get your finger on it, yeah. You have to move it or it's gonna stay like that.
I'm wet.
Just move it back. There you go.
Her nerve.